Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Tyqueez Beauty Tutorials, and here with another video. And in this video I just want to let you know, I really didn't know if you guys, how you guys handle you guys brushes or whatnot, but you know, I wanted to bring, it's been on me for a while too, right? And how important it is to keep them clean. So right now, as it looks to be, I only got what, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 brushes that are dirty and needs to be clean. All right, so typically it's okay for you if you keep your brushes clean. You're welcome to use that brush again like the next day. You ain't got to clean it just yet. I mean, if the area that you're in is clean and it's okay, you don't want using that brush, all right, you can use that brush again. But you know, if you got like a lot of dust in that area where you keep your stuff or whatnot, you may want to wash your brushes very frequently, like after every use, because you don't want to, you know, transfer any kind of germs, you know. Yeah, so this is the foundation brush. I actually used this brush today to put my new foundation on, Kat Von D. I think it's called, what's it, Good Apple. So the foundation is super, has a lot of coverage, so as you see, got a lot of cleaning to do. All right, and this here is a Morphe brush. This is the concealer brush. You know, these are pretty good brushes, especially Dior one. You don't have to wash it every day, but you can wash it every other day. But you know, when you keep them clean, you keep them longer. Like, I don't know if people just, you know, use their brushes for a while until they get real nasty and then they chunk them. If you're doing that, you don't have to do that. All you got to do is clean it when you really feel like you want to clean it, you know, because I mean, it's gonna work because it's a brush, you know. It's not something that, unless it's like disposable or something, okay? But if it ain't disposable or anything like that, you can clean them with dishwashing liquid, you know, any kind of fungicide products that cleanse with, you know, like even peroxide, but you gotta know how to use it. Yeah. But you want to keep this clean, you know, because your face has germs or whatnot. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. Show you how I clean my brushes. We gotta go to my bathroom. I don't want y'all to go in there, but hey, let's go, girl. Well, I mean, ain't no need to talk about it, okay? And if I had some dirty beauty blenders, I can share with you guys how I clean it too. It's pretty much the same way. It's just more squeezing, you know. But I'm gonna share with you guys my way to clean these brushes. Now, let me tell you guys something. You can use like face soap, all that kind of stuff. No good face soap that you like. Use something you don't like. I'm gonna show y'all. Of cleaning my restroom. So in the midst of me cleaning, I have to get all my brushes clean first, okay? Y'all, I know the lighting changed, but it ain't really about the lighting. But before I finish cleaning up my sink, I like to go ahead and get the dirty brushes out the way. So this is my first brush, and this is what I'm gonna do. So this is like a Shea Moisture face wash, 100% vegan coconut, daily hydration foaming facial wash. So what I do is I just pour it in this thing here. Now, not saying that I don't like this product. I don't. It did not even come out so I can start using it. So I just like, it must not mean. So anyway, I like to, I have things in my sink. And if you're a makeup artist, you want to keep them in your sink. Alright, but I got one already there. Ooh, put that back. Alright, so I got one already there. But I dip it in the soap. Then I start cleaning it. And I try to get it clean the best way possible. The warmer the water, the cleaner your brush will get. But so when I'm once I'm finished cleaning them, I go into the next. Now, it's according to you or how clean you get your brushes. I like to get mine really clean. Really clean. Like, I want to make sure I get my brushes really clean. Especially, you want to get your brow tools clean because the concealer is the hardest thing to remove out the brushes because it's pretty much most of the time what I use full coverage, more thicker and harder to get out of the brush. If you leave it on there for so long, like 3 days, or you forget to wash your brushes, it kind of, you know, like you guys seen this brush was brown, it's whitening up, but this is how thick some of the products are. And sometimes if you don't get it real clean, you know, use some, you know, detergent. That's gonna for sure get it clean. You know, because you want to get your brush, you know, clean. I think that that's actually a gift for a makeup artist to know how to really clean her makeup brushes, you know. A 100 brushes in the restroom ready to get clean. You ain't doing no makeup. I have to clean a brush every time I use the restroom. Personal! I have to make up in my mind every time you go pee, you need to be cleaning at least 2 or 3 brushes. So some of these are dry and ready, well, some of them are dry and ready to be used again. So I'm gonna begin to pull them from here. This is freshly wet. Freshly wet, okay. Yeah. Ooh, I washed some this morning, like they just still wet, so. So these are the brushes that have recently got clean and ready for me to use again. Like I say, you can get them clean, spotless if you got time, but if you're just using on your face, hey, it's okay to have a little bit there. But I mean, next time when you wash it, surely it'll like disappear. But I don't know. It depends on how strong the pigment is in that foundation. So yeah, I just wanted to come to you guys with a video on how I take care of my makeup brushes and what is a great way for you to take care of your makeup brushes, and also save money on makeup brushes, because you shouldn't have to buy makeup brushes every time you do your makeup, or you know, every time one get too dirty. Like, you can clean them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until we meet again, bye. I hope this video was very helpful. If so, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos than I do. And if you happen to have any more ideas for other videos to come in the future from me, elaborate by letting me know in the comment section, and I would love to hear from you. I would love to make, you know, most of the videos I think I fit with, but girl, let me know.